Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to download Kwik Rewards application on your iPhone. To download Kwik Rewards app on your iPhone is a straightforward process, so here's how you can do it. First of all, open your App Store. Go to the search box and type in Kwik Rewards and search. Look for this application from Kwik Trip Inc. and tap on the Get button to start downloading Kwik Rewards application on your iPhone. It'll take a while for the application to download according to your internet connection, so make sure you have a strong one. Once you've downloaded the app, you can launch it open and get started with it anytime you want. So that's how you can easily download the Kwik Rewards application on your iPhone in just a couple of steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.